Emily from Loom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the beaded triple single bracelet. I'm going to be using these Bead Gallery brand beads that I got from Michaels. They're really cool. You're going to need a total of 36 beaded bands, so I'm going to start beading them ahead of time. If you bought the same kind of beads, I suggest you don't throw away the string that the beads came on. I find it works much better than any other kind of string for doing this, but you can use dental floss or fishing wire instead. But I like to use the string that the beads come on. Anyway, you're going to take your first bead, you're going to put it on your string. Oops. Like that. Now you're going to take your band and also put it on your string. And what you're going to do is, you're going to take this end and put it back through the hole of the bead like this. Now you're going to pull until your band comes through, like that. You're going to want to have 36 of these total, so you're going to go do 35 more. You can do whatever kinds of beads and colors you want, but I'm doing all of them beaded with a teal band underneath, and I'm using these two types of beads. You want all 3 rows to be straight, so what you're going to do is you're going to take out the middle row, you're going to make it even like this. Now what you're going to do is, your arrow should be pointing away from you. You're going to take the color you want for your first row, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the first band, place it from here to here, and you're just going to go straight up the loom all the way down. Now if you wanted like every other row beaded, you would have one band that's not beaded here and one band that is beaded here. But I want all of mine beaded, so just doing all beaded bands, and I'm going straight forward. Now you're going to do your middle row. I'm going to do a different color, or sorry, not a different color, a different type of bead. And you're just going straight forward. Now you're going to be doing the last row, and I'm going to go back to this same type of bead. I'm just going straight down. Going to be placing the cross bands that hold the whole thing together. So what you're going to do is you're not going to place any across this row, but on all the other rows you're just going to place a band straight across, except for on this last row here. So you're not placing one on these 3 pegs or these 3. I'm going to be using clear. So you're just stretching them over those 3 pegs, and you're going almost all the way up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to place capping bands on each of these pegs. So you're going to turn your loom around so the arrow's pointing towards you. You're not going to use any beads on these bands here. What you're going to do is you're going to take this band and you're going to place it on, and then you're going to make a figure 8 kind of shape and double it back over itself. You could also take it in your hands, twist it, and put it back over itself. Either way works. Now we are going to start hooking. What you're going to do is you're going to push back the capping band, grab the top band, and loop it forward. You're going to grab the bottom band and loop it forward again, and you're just going to continue this all the way down the loom. Now you're going to be looping the middle row, so you're doing the same thing. Push back the capping band, grab the bottom band and loop it forward, grab the bottom band and loop it forward, bottom band, loop it forward, and you're just going straight down. Return to where the capping bands are, push and do the last row. Push back the capping band, grab the bottom band, loop it straight forward, continue all the way down. You have now finished looping your band. You're going to stick your hook in these two bands, grab another band, and loop it through, like that. Now you're going to take a toothpick, and you're going to put this band through it, like that, that's just to hold it. You're going to do the same for this row here. Loop a band through it, put it on a toothpick. The only reason I'm putting them on toothpicks is because I don't want to use 3 hooks. Now on the last one, you're going to take a band, pull it through, and you can put that on the gripper of your hook. Now you can hold all 3 of these. Try not to hurt yourself. You can just take them off. There. Make sure they don't come off the toothpicks. There. Okay, still on the toothpicks. Now what you're going to do is, since it doesn't fit all the way around your wrist, you're going to need an extension. I'm going to use 3 bands. For kids' wrist, you can use 3 bands. You might want to use 2 bands or more for an adult's wrist. You're going to go 3, but I'm going to do all 3 rows, like this. So your arrow should be pointing this way. Now what you're going to do is slowly take each of these off what's holding them. So you're going to take this on your fingers first, or just stretch it out. You're going to place it on this peg here. Take it off what's holding it. You can take this band off of your hook and add it. Just make sure you're careful. Take this off of the toothpick and add it. Now you need to make sure all of these are straight, so in order to do that you need to make sure that it's all pointing the same way if you pull it out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to push back these bands here and you're going straight forward. Push back these bands here, grab the bottom band and loop it forward. Push back the top bands, grab the bottom band, loop it forward. Now you're going to get 3 C-clips. You're going to attach each C-clip, I'm going to use 3, to each one of these bands. Now, making sure it's on a C-clip, you can take each one of them off. Now you can attach it to the capping bands on the other side. Like that. There you have your triple single bracelet. Thanks for watching.